almost 7 p.m. It's pretty dark now, and I'm getting ready to go to church for a crossover service. I'm running a bit late, so I'm adding a bit of leave-in conditioner to my hair. Hi guys, good morning. I hope you can hear me. Happy New Year once again. And it's early morning, it's past 7 now, and I'm just frying my chicken because I already boiled them yesterday, so that's the first thing I'm doing. Alright guys, so I'm about to just make the jollof rice, and I'm using some of the leftover tin tomato I used for my stew yesterday. I'll be using some nor. Alright guys, so we're at that point where I just need to wash this rice and put it inside the sauce or the stew that I already have boiling. It smells so good already. Well, I had to test my food, and of course the rice is not yet done. I had to add a bit of water and allow it to cook some more. So I just opened this sweet corn. This is like my favorite sweet corn. Yes, so I'm done cooking. I'm gonna show you guys what my food looks like. So I have some rice, I have some plantain, and I have 1 egg and 1 chicken wing, and I will just sit here and legit enjoy my food. As soon as I finish eating this food, I'm going to jump into the shower, come back and just sleep, better sleep, and I'm done. Hi guys, so it's past 3 to 4 and I'm out of the house. I need to get to Mission Road at Ring Road here. I need to buy something for my uncle because I'm going to see him, and you need to see the mammoth of crowd everywhere. Like, it's crazy, it's amazing. It's crazy amazing at the same time. Like, everywhere is full. Like, every public place, you know, people will go to hang out, like, it's completely full. So so this is the popular Mission Road. Mission Road is known for books. Like they have a lot of bookshop and shops where they sell drinks, wine, and basically anything you need for party, souvenir, you know, presents and all of that. You can get them here at Mission Road. Hello. Alpha. Come on. You get Gordon. With gin. Gordon, one thing. Make I see, bring them now. My uncle loves this drink, which is why I'm buying it for him. And I was also looking out for other kinds of foreign wine that he would like, and I was checking out some other wines that I don't even know. But I love the bottles, like they were all looking so cute. So I went to another store to check for the same wine, because I've realized that there are some fake ones and then original ones. I don't know how they make a drink fake, but anyway, I was able to get about 2 and I started heading out. Right, so I just arrived here and already said my greeting to my uncle in my dialect. So I knelt down and said, Uncle Migor, Vrendo. So my uncle is a strong Catholic. Like, they've been Catholic for the longest time. Like, I think since I was born, I knew them, you know, going to Catholic church. Of course, he teased me that I wore rugged jeans to his house, that I studied rag day. I laughed so hard. Some people came from his office to visit him and they brought some wine. Actually, today is his birthday, so his birthday is always on the 1st, the new year, so it was like double celebration.
Blessed art thou amongst men, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus. Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death. Amen. In the name of the Father,
And of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
blessed be to all of you.
Amen.
So clear the table.
Let me smile.
Who is this?
It's a video. We're making a video. Smile, smile. Yeah, smile. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hi guys. So I just got back from my uncle's house and I'm so tired and exhausted and lose flash. So my tripod's just broke in half. This, first of all, when I got it, it was already fake. So, but I've been managing it because can't waste money. But now it's completely gone. So I have to like remove the phone holder from this one and fix it on another one, which is still fake and crazy. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys what my uncle gave me. Of course, when I gave him the drinks that I bought at Mission Road, he was very excited. So he gave me this tomato puree. I haven't used it before, and I'm excited. I hope I like it. I think it's just normal tin tomato paste, and I already checked for the expiring dates. It's very important. Every time I get a canned food or sealed food, I always check. So this will expire in 2023, which I think it's good. He gave me another chopped tomato into tomato juice. I haven't tried any of these things before. I think all these things are abroad things. Yeah. That just sounded crazy. Yeah, because I don't know, normally if I'm thinking of tomatoes, I don't go to the supermarket to be looking for something like this. I just go to the market. But I'm excited to try this out, and I'll definitely let you guys know what I cook with it. It looks nice. It's like liquid. He gave me these chicken cubes. I think they're made in Nigeria. Yeah. Good people, great nation. Rick Giko. I haven't tried this before. I'll definitely give it a try, or try it out or something to make something. I'm tired, guys. I'm exhausted. That's why I'm talking like this. I think yeah, so I think this is where I'm going to end my new year vlog. I'm so excited, you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for absolutely everything that you're doing for me. Thank you for being here. Yes, I'm talking to you. Yes, you. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for just being here, and it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Let me know in the comment section what type of videos you guys would like to see from me this year, and I can't wait to take you guys on this journey again. Let's do it bigger and better. I hope we get more opportunities this year to grow this channel and to just do big things and to create opportunities for a lot of other people. So yeah, I'm open to collaborations, I'm open to business ideas. My email and everything you need to contact me with are below in the description box. Please check it out, use it. And when I'm not here, I'm on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram, my personal page and my business page. Yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one, and I wish you a prosperous 2022. Bye guys. Mwah.